Hi, my name's Lara Davies and I work for Natural Sciences at National Museum Cardiff. When I'm not working for the museum, I'm an artist. As part of our amazing astronomy weekend, I'm going to tell you about the Gibeon meteorite, why it's my favourite specimen, and I'm going to do it in just 60 seconds. Amgueddfa Cymru has a 260 kilogram chunk of the meteorite on display in the Evolution of Wales gallery. It's made of iron and nickel, and cut samples of similar meteorites show a wonderful geometric pattern known as a Vidman-Staten pattern, which was formed when the molten core of a big asteroid slowly cooled. As an artist, the pattern reminded me of an abstract painting, in particular two forms by modernist British painter Ben Nicholson. The painting is part of Amgueddfa Cymru's collection, and the composition of rectangles reminded me of the remarkable forms in the Vidman-Staten pattern, which look like they could have been painted on by an artist. And that is why the Gibeon meteorite is my favourite space specimen.